Morning students. Today we will discuss about the Anglo-Mysore War. The Anglo-Mysore was a series of wars fought between the Kingdom of Mysore. Kingdom of Mysore means Hyder Ali, and after death of Hyder Ali, Tipu Sultan. So, Anglo-Mysore War was a series of wars fought between the Kingdom of Mysore and on the one hand and British East India Company, the Nizam of Hyderabad and Maratha on other hand. So, first of all, we will discuss about the first Anglo-Mysore War. First Anglo-Mysore War, 1767 to 1769. After the death of Raja of Mysore of the Wadiyar dynasty in 1760, Hyder Ali became the ruler of Mysore. Hyder Ali gained some success even against the British and almost captured Madras. In 1767, the Nizam, Marathas and English made a triple alliances. English, Marathas and Nizam made a triple alliances against the Mysore, against the Hyder Ali of Mysore, as they were jealous of his increasing power. But Hyder Ali was very smart, and Hyder Ali beat the English at their own game by making peace with Marathas and learning the Nizam with territorial gains. Then Hyder Ali attacked on Arcot. As you know, Arcot was the capital of Carnatic. So Hyder Ali attacked Arcot. The Britishers were shocked, and Britishers had to sign a treaty of peace and mutual help with the Hyder Ali. That is all about the first Anglo-Mysore War. Now, second Anglo-Mysore War from 1780 to 84. The 1780 English wanted to attack the French at Mahe. English wanted to attack at Mahe, situated on the west coast of Mysore. Mahe was under the French, and French were the friends of Hyder Ali. When Britishers want to attack on Mahe, Hyder Ali did not permit it. Therefore, English declared the war against Hyder Ali and his alliances. Alliances mean with the Nizam and the Maratha. Hyder Ali captured Arcot by defeating the English army. The British broke the alliance. What type of alliance? Means Hyder Ali, Nizam and Maratha. So British broke the alliances. In spite of that, Hyder Ali gave a crushing defeat to the Britishers. Means in second Anglo-Mysore War, Britishers were defeated. After that, Hyder Ali died, but his son Tipu Sultan became the ruler of Mysore. The battle concluded after the Treaty of Mangalore because Tipu Sultan continued to fight against the Britishers. So battle concluded after the Treaty of Mangalore in 1784, when both the parties decided to restore each other conquered territories and set the prisoners free. Now, Third Anglo-Mysore War. Third Anglo-Mysore War from 1789 to 1792. Tipu Sultan allied with the French and invaded the nearby state of Travancore. Nearby state of Travancore in 1789. Miss Mysore and French both were invaded the Travancore in 1789. which was a British ally. The Britishers were already looking for an excuse to crush Tipu's power. Hence, a war started. The war was started between the Tipu Sultan and Britishers. In this war, Tipu Sultan was defeated. Now, after the defeating of Tipu Sultan, Tipu was forced to sign a treaty of Srirangapatna. Srirangapatna was the capital of Mysore at that time. So Tipu was forced to sign the treaty of Srirangapatna. According to this treaty, Mysore had to hand over half of its territory to the Britishers along with Tipu's two sons as war hostages. Now, Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, 1799. Lord Wellesley became the Governor General of India in 1789, and Britishers wanted to complete control of Mysore. As a result, Mysore was attacked from four sides. Mysore was attacked from four sides: north, south, east and west. From the north side, Nizam of Hyderabad and Maratha attacked on Mysore from the north side, and from the east, west and south, Britishers attacked. So Mysore was attacked from four sides. Nizam of Hyderabad and Marathas launched an invasion from the north, and the Britishers attacked from the south, east and west. In this war, Tipu was killed during the defense of the cities. Means that was the end of the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Much of the remaining Mysorean territories was annexed by the Britishers, the Nizam and the Marathas. And the remaining core around Mysore and Srirangapatnam was restored to the Indian prince belonging to the Wadiyar dynasty, who ruled till 1947. So after the Tipu's death, the Fourth Anglo-Mysore was ended. That's all from the Anglo-Mysore War. Thank you and have a nice day.